Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the previous lectures, we have discussed all about aromatic electrophilic substitution. Now today, I shall discuss about name reaction, Wills-Mayer-Hawk reaction, which is based on electrophilic aromatic substitution. The reaction of activated aromatic compounds with NN substituted formamide and phosphorus oxychloride leading to the formation of aromatic aldehyde, and it is called Wills-Mayer-Hawk reaction. Here it is aromatic compound which is activated by the group present R dash. R dash may be hydroxyl group or NH2 group, or we can say the groups containing lone pair of the electrons which activate the aromatic ring. And here this is the NN dimethyl formamide. In the presence of POCl3, it gives the formylated aromatic compounds and the secondary amine. This reaction is frequently employed for the formylation of the aromatic ring. The activated substrate which is used in these reactions are amines, phenols, or the heterocyclic compounds such as azulene or ferrocene. And the substrate used in place of N dimethyl formamide is are N-phenyl N-methyl formamide, N-formyl piperidine, N-methyl acetamide, N-dimethyl acetamide, N-S dimethyl benzamide. These three compounds are frequently used, and these three compounds are not frequently used because when we take these compounds, these compounds undergo self-condensation. Therefore, we don't take in preferably. And the various acid chloride used in these reactions are POCl3, COCl2, phasgene, thionyl chloride, aryl carbonyl chloride, acetyl chloride, aryl sulfonyl chloride, and the phosphorus pentachloride. The solvent used for the reactions are DMF, N-methyl pyrrolidine, and some other solvent can also be used for the reaction are chloroform, benzene, toluene, tetrahydrofuran, and dioxane. And now, what is the mechanism of the Wills-Mayer-Hawk reaction? In this mechanism, the electrophile is the chloromethylaminium salt. So, this reaction takes place in two steps. The first step is the preparation of electrophile. Here, this is N-methyl and phenyl formamide, and this is POCl3. Here, chlorine is more electronegative than phosphorus, and therefore it removes with its bonding pair of the electron as a Cl minus, so P becomes the positively charged. Here oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, therefore the bonding electrons is shifted to oxygen atom, so oxygen becomes negatively charged and carbon becomes positively charged. At the adjacent atom nitrogen has two lone pair of the electrons, so one pair of the electrons, so it donates its electron to the carbon atom and form the double bond here between nitrogen and carbon. Here oxygen gets negatively charged, so P becomes the positively charged and it attaches to this negatively charged oxygen atom, and we get this type of the compound. This type of the compound here, the OPaCl2 attached to the O minus, and we get and the double bond created between nitrogen and carbon atom, and we get this type of the compound. Now OCl2 removed with its bonding electrons, so carbon becomes positively charged and the Cl removed from here as a Cl minus attack on the positively charged carbon atom, and here CCl bond is formed, and since the nitrogen becomes positively charged, so double bonded electrons are shifted to nitrogen atom, so nitrogen has lone pair of the electrons. Here we obtain this type of the structure after addition of this Cl minus to this carbon atom, and this is the electrophile, and we say here chloroiminium ion. Now this chloroiminium ion attack to the active substrate which contain either NH2 group or OH group, or we write here Z. Z is the group containing lone pair of the electrons. Here the chloroiminium ion, which is the electrophile, and attack at this position. This is created by giving the lone pair of the electron by Z to this carbon atom, and the double bond forms between Z and this carbon atom, and this double bonded carbon atom shifted to this carbon atom, so it becomes negatively charged, and positively charged electrophile attack to this position, and we get this type of the structure. Now here hydrogen is removed as a proton and giving 2 electrons to this carbon atom, and because this Z is positively charged, it attract electron from this double bonded carbon atom, so electrons displacement from here to here, this becomes neutral, and since this becomes positively charged, so hydrogen removed with its with as a proton and giving electron to this carbon atom, this carbon and this carbon becomes covalently bonded here after the removal of proton. Now this structure is obtained. Now Cl removed with its bonding electrons, so C becomes positively charged, and here nitrogen has lone pair of the electrons, so it gives electron to this carbon atom and forms the double bond and becomes positively charged. So the next structure this is obtained. Now the water attack to this structure. Here nitrogen pull their bonding electrons towards the nitrogen, and so carbon becomes positively charged, and the oxygen has lone pair of the electrons, so it attaches on this carbon atom and gives the structure of this type. Here O plus H, hydrogen removed as a proton giving bonding electron to this oxygen atom, and so oxygen becomes neutral, and we get the structure this type. Now here, since the nitrogen is more electronegative and the bond breaking takes place from here, and nitrogen removed as N minus, C becomes positively charged. At the same time, the hydrogen is removed as a proton giving electrons to this oxygen atom. This becomes positive charge, this becomes negatively charged, so it forms bond, covalent bond, so we get here double bond, and the N minus PHMe removed from here, it attached to the proton which is removed from here, and we get here the secondary amine and the formilated compound. Some other compounds can also be formilated by the Willms-Meyer-Hawk reaction. These are pyrrole, formilated at position 2 and 85% yield is obtained, and this is anthracene, formulated at 9 position, and in case of indole, it formulated at position 3 and at 97% yield is obtained, and this compound formulated at position 4 and we get formylated compound. Now this reaction is frequently used for the formylation of the active aromatic compounds.